Alright, I'm going to show you how to mount aftermarket winch onto a CA bumper. This bumper is made for Can-Am style winches, and we're going to be using a Chinese winch. Technically, what you're going to do, you're going to take the winch's plate. You're going to put it in the middle between all the mounting holes. You're going to take a marker and you're going to mark 4 holes, one right here, and there's another one right here, and there's one right here. And you're going to take the plate off, you're going to drill the holes. And now pretty much on the front ones, you're going to have to drill all the way through and make them really big so you could get the bolts in there. The back ones, you could literally put bolts in there and just tighten them. You're going to use some Loctite on the bolts. Actually, make sure to use it. Don't tighten the bolt all the way. Make sure you get all the 4 bolts in there and then start tightening it. You're going to take the wrench and you're just going to have to do it at the angle. You're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Alright, we just finished screwing all the bolts in. This is how it's going to look. Looks like it was supposed to be there. Now we're just going to go ahead and install it. Okay, this is how it's going to look.